Next is the rise and fall method. So in this method, what is that? This number is not will not be there. Okay, this you need to calculate it. Okay, this you need to calculate it. Only this will be there. Okay, back side, intermediate side, and foresight. Okay, so this you will be taken in the field. Okay, in the examination we will give the given set of the points, and we'll ask the one or two change points, so you have to change it and you have to take down the readings. So whatever the orange color I have shown, so that you have to be calculated. Okay, rise and fall of each method, each point. The your main objective is not the intent our main objective is not finding the only the RL and the sorry rise and fall. You have to find your main objective is RL, reduced level of the each point. You have to find it by method of rise and fall method. Okay, so what is this rise and fall, how you have to take the reading? I will tell you in a very simplest way in the summary. First, in this method, uh, what you have to do is first write the station, back side, intermediate side, and foresight. This will be common either HI method or rise and fall method. These four columns are common. Okay, next in addition you have to use the two columns. One is rise and fall, and RL and remark. Okay, so these additional four columns are you have to write down. In HI method and rise and fall method, these column will also be there. Okay, so this four column which is in the pink color, which I'm showing in the round mark, addition to this RL and remark. Okay, so only these two columns, rise and fall, will not be there. Instead of these two, rise and fall, you will have HI. You will be written as HI column. Only HI column will be there. Okay, so how you will get HI column is by adding RL plus backside, you will get HI. Okay, so HI minus either intermediate side or foresight, if you minus, you will get RL of each point. So this is how the flow movement of the by taking RL of each point, you have to take it. This is what the movement. Okay, so you once you practice once, twice and thrice, you will get to know this problem very easily. Okay, first, as soon as you see in this table, you should come to know that the flow movement of keep shifting the leveling staff from one point to another point. Okay, see here, wherever the one, I will tell you hint. Okay, the movement will always going in this direction. So one after the other it will be go. So it will be going one after the other. So you have to be very careful in this type of the rows. Okay, see here, so where you have backside and foresight, in that column you have to be very careful, because wherever you will get backside and foresight there, so there you will get HI. Okay, there only you have to get HI. But in the case of the rise and fall method, it is not like that. The movement, first only your main intention is the movement one after the other, where you have to flow. Okay, so if you know the leveling staff keeping one after the other, if you know, means just by subtracting one with other, you will get either rise or your fall. Okay, so if you get rise, you have to, whatever the previous RL is there, you have to add it. Fall is there means you have to subtract it. That's all. Fall is for minus, rise is for addition. Okay, this you have to keep it in the mind. Okay, rise for addition. Okay, fall is for subtraction. This if you know means, then all the things are very easier. Okay, first I will tell you the flow, the movement of the leveling staff. Okay, see, first they have taken the backside in the benchmark they have taken. So after that, immediately you have to go for the next row. In the next row, you should get it in either IS, or you should get it in either in FS. Okay, so here there is no IS, so they have taken for FS. Okay, so FS is the last point. There only the level staff it will be there. So the dumpy level station, whatever it is there it has been shifted. So again backside they have seen, so you have to go like this. So movement is like this. Okay, so like this. Again movement is like this. Okay. After again like this. Okay, again after this again it went for like this. So movement again it is like this, it goes like this. Okay. Then again it coming back to like this. Okay, next again it is returning to last reading. Okay, final movement will be like this. So this movement you have to be kept very rigorously, you have to practice. So in middle, if in middle is is there means, so your backside is next goes to is after is you have to see whether it is in the next is it should becomes next is or it will go to last foresight, either one it will be there. Okay, so this you have to be very careful. Okay, everything when there is a change point only you have to be very careful. So this is what the flow, you have to take the textbook, then you have to work out how the flow will be taking place one after the other. So next while but in the problem in the rise and fall method, so you have to, after knowing this movement, then what you have to do is the flow, you have to take a difference between these two. Okay, so one after the other. When first bs is there, okay, first point is this one, second point is this one. So how the movement is there, first one minus second one, like that only you have to minus. So 0.865 minus, the flow is like this only, after bs 4s you will get it. Okay, that's why you have to take these two number only. So 8.675 and one more thing, so in here rise and fall method, always you have to do in the like the in the diagonal shape only you have to do minus. Okay, don't ever take the number in this manner. Okay, sorry, I will take it in the another color. Okay, whatever the number it is in the this in this zigzag manner, you should never take it. This one you should not take it. Okay, whatever I'm showing in the purple color, sorry, orange color, this only you have to take it. Okay, this shape you should not take into consideration. Okay, now I shown the movement of the leveling staff, it went like this. One is first back side, next is foresight. 8.675 minus 2.105. So if you minus that, you will get minus value minus 1.240. so rather than writing minus 1.240, you have to write it in the fall column. Okay, so write it here. 1.240 after minus this 8.65, you will get it this one. Okay, this you will get it. So 8.65 minus 2.105, you will get 1.240. Next I told in this shape only you have to take it. Okay, 1.025 minus 1 point, this is the first point, this is the second point. Okay, second point. Second point is 1.580. 1.025 minus 1.580, so you will get 0.555. Okay, you do that, you will get this number, but you will get minus 5.5. That's why it is in the that's why it is in the fall column. Okay, next after this, okay, after this again I told it has to move in the zigzag manner only, in this direction only. Okay, after intermediate side, last point is foresight, so that's why 1.865. Okay, so this is the second. Now it will become first point and this will become the second point. Okay, last point. So 1.580 minus 1.865. Okay, so that will give rise to 0.285. Okay, 1 point here, 1.580 minus 1.865. 0.865 give rise to 1 point, sorry, 0.285. Okay, so it is in the fall column only. Okay, now I will teach only how to take this rise and fall column. Okay, later I will teach you how to take RL. Okay, first you have to be very thorough with this rise and fall, where the value will comes. Okay, this is a negative value. Okay, 1.585 minus 1.865, that is a negative value, so that's why you will get 0.285. so it is a negative, so that will be going to the fall column. Okay, next is, see here, after this it will goes to next reading is this one. Okay, I told you have to move in this zigzag manner only. So after 2.230, then you have to go for 2.835. Okay, so 2.230 minus 2.835 give rise to minus 0.605. Okay, so it is in the minus, so that's why it is in fall column. Okay, so again this over. So as soon as you finish this, you should not go in this fashion. Okay, straight fashion or movement like this you should not, sorry, moving like taking like this, taking the value minusing like this, you should not go. Okay, so every time either the value this direction only you have to do the subtraction. Okay, every time you have to do subtraction only. For here, while taking this values you have to do subtraction only. Okay, now so now the last value is this one. Okay, so first value is the 2.355, last value is, second value is 1.760. so that is what the foresight, that is the last point. So you have to take the difference between these two only. Okay, so movement is like this only. See here, all the values whatever I'm showing, it is in the same direction only. So 2.355 minus 1.760, so you will get positive value of 0.595. okay, 0.595 you will get it. So that's why it is in the rise column. You got positive value, so the answer, you got the positive value, so that's why you got the 0.595. okay, so after getting this 0.595, so that's over the rise and fall column. Okay, just you have to remember this. See here, all the time, so either you do any subtraction or addition, whatever, so whatever the subtraction you take, you should take in this fashion only. Okay, so BS minus IS or FS. Okay, you have to keep it in mind. BS minus IS or FS. In this manner only you have to minus it. Okay, BS minus IS or FS. Okay, another one formula, IS minus FS. If it is IS existed, means IS minus FS. Okay, use these two formulas. Okay, so BS minus IS, sorry, not FS. FS you will never get it. Okay, sorry, BS minus IS or IS minus FS. Okay, these two you have to remember, these two formulas. If you minus with BS minus IS or IS minus FS, either if you get positive value, that give rise to rise. If it is a negative value, that will give rise to fall. Okay, so next, but don't forget this fashion, the when you're taking the minus, the movement should be in this direction only. Okay, don't forget. Okay, BS minus IS also you take it in this fashion only, it should be. If it is not in this fashion, so consider that you are going wrong way. Okay, you are taking the wrong values. Okay, so now your job of taking the rise and fall value is finished. So your next objective is the finding the RL of each point. Okay, RL of each point you have to take it. Okay, see here, rise and fall you have taken. So now your main objective is, after finding the rise and fall column, next what you have to do is, see, first RL point is given, that is on the benchmark RL point is given. So one benchmark will be there. Okay, in benchmark you will kept the staff you have kept. from the dumpy level. Okay, from dumpy level you have taken the reading. Okay, that reading is what is that? That reading is 8.675. Okay, but the RL of this benchmark, it is 560.500. Okay, so that's what it has been given. Okay, got it. So now your main objective is you have to find out the RL of each point. Okay, so now it is a fall, so fall it means you have to minus. So wherever you got the fall, okay, next you have to minus 5.560 minus 0.500 minus 1.240. You minus this, you will get this value. Okay, again 559.260 minus 0.55, minus it, you will get 558.705. again you minus this, you will get this one. Okay, again you minus with this 558.420 minus with the 0.605, you will get 557.815. Okay, so later after getting this value, okay, after getting the 557.815, there is no fall is not there, but you have rise value. Then what you have to do is, rise means addition, don't forget, means addition. Okay, fall means subtraction. Okay, 557.815 minus 557.815 minus plus 557.815 plus 0.595 will give rise to 558.410. Okay, so I am repeating once again. See here, so all the values now after taking the RL through fall, it is over. Okay, this is over, forget it. Now after getting the value of 557.815, after getting that, the next value is rise. So rise means positive addition. Okay, so 557.815 plus 0.595, if you add it, you will get this 558.420. Okay, so this ends your finding the RL of each station. So this job is finished. Okay, now there is the last job, arithmetic. Whatever your finding is correct or not, to check that, what you have to do is, see here, I told in the previous HI method also, what you have done, you have taken summation of PS, summation of FS you have taken. Okay, then what you have taken, minus last RL minus first RL you have taken. Same thing here also, back side all together you add it, all together four side you add it, and take the last RL is 558.410 and first RL is first RL is 560.50. Okay, so this is first RL, last RL is 558.410. Okay, so these two, whatever these two is there, okay, these two you have to subtract it. Okay, so that subtraction is here. Okay, that subtraction is here. The back side, whatever the back side summation is 6475, the summation of foresight is 8.565. Okay, so whatever this number is there, you have taken this here, you have taken the difference, you got the difference as 2.090. what here you got here, what you got here, 2.090, here also 2.090. so right hand left hand side is equal to right hand side, so that's why whatever you have done is correct. So this is how you have to do the rise and fall method. So this is the another experiment for the survey lab. So whatever the points you have been found out in the ground, okay, so either you have to find out by HI method height of instrument method or height of calibration method, or you have to find out by rise and rise and fall method. Okay, so this too you have to do it.